In this BorderConnect tutorial, I'll show you how to send arrival and export messages for U.S. inbound shipments from an ACE eManifest. Sending electronic inbound arrivals and exports are required when taking inbound shipments into the U.S. And although the better option is to send arrivals and exports using BorderConnect's U.S. Inbound Manager, ACE also provides this functionality. For more info on how to use BorderConnect's U.S. Inbound Manager, click the link at the top of the video now. Or, to learn more about sending inbound arrivals and exports using ACE, visit BorderConnect Support Wiki at wiki.borderconnect.com. So now, let's get started. Once you're logged in, navigate to an ACE eManifest that has already crossed into the US and has an inbound shipment that has arrived at its inbound destination. To do this, hover over ACE eManifests and click Search ACE eManifests. Now, click into this released ACE eManifest. Once at the ACE eManifest Details page, scroll down and click into this ACE inbound shipment. In this scenario, an ACE inbound is a bond that was filed using the ACE system as opposed to a customs broker filing it as a QP inbound. To learn how to create your own inbound shipments in ACE, click the link at the top of the video now. Once you're in the ACE Shipment Details page for this inbound, to send an arrival message, hover over the button Shipment Only Send to CBP and select Send Inbound Arrival Message. Then you'll be brought to the Send Inbound Arrival Message page, and right away you can see that 3 fields are already automatically added. The shipment control number, which is also your bond bill of lading number, the trip associated with the shipment, as well as the port, which in this case is the U.S. inbound destination. Next, you'll need to enter the firm's code of the location the bond is arriving at. You can quickly assign the firm's code in BorderConnect by entering the address, the name of the firm's location, or the firm's code itself. Then, enter the U.S. inbound arrival date and time. Once all your inbound arrival details are added, click Save on the top left and you'll be brought back to the ACE Shipment Details page, where you can see that the arrival message has been transmitted. And in approximately 2 minutes, your inbound arrival will be accepted and you've successfully reported your inbound arrival at its firm's location with CBP. If this was a Type 61 immediate transportation bond, this would be all that's required and your inbound is now closed. However, if this was a Type 62 transportation and exportation bond, when the bond is then exported to its foreign destination, an export message must also be transmitted. To do this, from the ACE Shipment Details page, hover over Shipment Only Send to CBP and select Send Inbound Export Message. Once you're on the Send Inbound Export Message page, your shipment control number, trip number, and destination port are all automatically filled in. So all that's left to enter is the inbound export date and time. Then click Save. And that's it. In about 2 minutes, CBP will respond to your export, and your transportation and exportation bond will then be accepted for export, where nothing more needs to be done, and your bond is now closed.
Hi. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Subscribe below for more videos like this, or sign up to BorderConnect for a free 45-day trial using special promo code EASY45. Thanks for watching.